Ngibuza umbuzo ngihambe.
Be
I am the Lord, the God of all flesh. Is there anything too difficult for me?
Ngizobuza nje lo mbuzo. Is there anything too hard for the Lord? Ngabe kukhonani okumahlulayo uNkulunkulu? Awuthi ngiqoqe Nkosi yami. Makuthiwa is there anything? Shuthi kahle kahle uNkulunkulu akahlulwa yilutho. uNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu wama miracles. uNkulunkulu wama miracles. Umbuzo ke uthi what is a miracle? Vula uGoogle. Vula uGoogle uthi what is a miracle ufunde bese ngihlala phansi. What is a miracle? Hawu Nkosi yafunda funda. Hawu phumela. Funda. Man, open the book.
An extraordinary event manifesting divine intervention in human affairs. The healing miracle.
Uyazi yini miracle? Imiracle uGenesis 1 verse 26. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu asemdalile umuntu aphefumule, umuntu aphila hamba. Uyazi yini miracle? Imiracle ukuthi usumdala una 100 years, umngakhe na 90 years, kodwa uNkulunkulu athi pheka. Uyazi yini miracle? Uyazi yini miracle? Imiracle ukuthi umlilo usubasiwe, umfana wabekwa phezu komlilo, isipha ayisiwe inkamba, kuvala inkamba. Uyazi what is a miracle? What is a miracle? What is a miracle? Atayizo bafowabo babuyela emuva beyoqaba manga bethi baba uJoseph ufile. But iqhamuka imiracle. Basithi imiracle sayimbantu abamdayisile kube sayimbantu abathi Joseph is still alive.